Yes, subscribers, you know, say Viral JA at it again. The next epic video. You see it? Yeah, so today we're there, you know, nearby community in Manchester called Allison. Yeah, Bombay, this up past Belfield, go up. Yeah, man. Some talented artists there up there. You see it? That's like the event, like a dairy, like a party there, keeping the day. You see it? So, yeah, man, and thing. So, you know, find a couple of artists and things, you see it? Yeah, man, so don't forget to subscribe, share, comment down below. Tell me if you like the video. You see it? Yeah, man. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Yeah, man. And if you can't watch the full length of the video, just leave it, make it go and play. You see it? Go on. Run up the watch hours. You see it? Yeah, man. You know, you want the little funds and things on YouTube and start, you know, pay weight and things. So, you know, if you want to support the things some more, just watch the videos and, you know, share it. Please, me a big one. You see it? Yeah, man. So I get into the video right now, so, you know, sit down and enjoy.
Go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral.
Yeah, man, say no, say Viral JA back in the streets again with the next epic video. So today we're there, Allison, right, with the next upcoming artist. So introduce yourself now and tell them where you're from, man. Huh?
Alright, the artist name Jamaican from Spaldings, and I'm Manchester artist, same way. Represent Clarendon, same way. Can find up on all social media, all platform. YouTube, Spotify, Pandora, all platform, iTunes. I have a brand new album out right now, Project 1. Go on damn good to on the iTunes, same way. We have a brand new video off of the album, Clean Art. So we've been doing the work, but it does work if you go and show come more and I want to see me, so. But they are going to do it, is it? So you go. So introduce the YouTube channel to them again, the name of it? Name of the YouTube channel, Jamaican Viva. You can find it on Facebook to see me, Instagram, Jamaican Music, see me, so. All platforms, and just search up the name Jamaican and you find it. Yeah? Alright, so we're just putting in the description below so you can just follow him and thing, you see it. Yeah, man, so you know, say Viral JA with the next big artist, you see it. So introduce yourself now.
Yeah, go on, people. You don't know, see a Konsept, you know. Yeah, man. You know, say I know it fought from a place called Babylon, Delhi, you see it? Yeah, there. You can find me on Instagram at Konsept TG, you see it? Yeah, man. YouTube page of forward too. Great house.
Alright. Yeah, man, so you know, say Viral JA in Allison with our next upcoming artist, you see it? So introduce yourself now.
Septimus Artiste. Yes, I don't know. Can find my music at Facebook, Matthew Blackstock, same one person, Septimus Party, gmail.com.
Yeah, man, so you know, say Viral JA in the streets again with the next upcoming artist. So introduce yourself now.
Yeah, man, you don't know the Riggan, you know, from the G Black, you know, you don't know we got the thing like down. Yeah, man, you don't know a whole heap of thing we have to push to forefront. You know, a long time we in the sub, man. This year, the time for shine, so you don't know where it go. Viral JA, don't know.
Alright, so tell them your social media where them can find you.
Yeah, man, you don't know. Facebook, Riggan J, you don't know. What you call it now? TikTok, Riggan J, same way. You don't know. YouTube now, Riggan Music. So you can find the Riggan anytime you're ready. See?
So what's your artist name?
You know, say a DJ Kush, my name still, I'm not change the name because we spin tune and sing tune, you know, you think come down, you see it, Allison we come from, you see it, Bombay, Kabla, Mispa, Cheapside, all them place there, you know, Ginger, all the same way, you see it, Pray, College, I think, you see it.
Alright, so we're going to drop a big gear, you just give a little thing for you, you see it?
Man, anything, you know, say that's how you come down, you know.
Hold on! Every girl a my girl. Send me take a boy girl. Every girl a my girl. Hold on, man. Me love fat. Me love see me pum pum. Every girl in the world want give me pum pum. Me Keisha and give me pum pum. Black girl, white girl, all chinny pum pum. Me love fat. Me love see me. Every boy girl I say ya for me. Well, me love girl with fat one with slimmy. Push I'm in here, me no go a Jimmy. Hold on. Girl love me, they say me cute. They say me neat inna me, go with your suit. Well on, when me have a family, ill figure. Girl a wind up and this nigga, voila. But me we squeeze the trigger. And boy for you later me just bore him liver. Girl, Allison, we no afraid of no nigga. Shot pinted, hot like pepper, voila. You know the thing going on, man.
Alright, respect you here. Yeah, man. Viral J. Out, you see it? Alright, so we are going to drop a beat here. You can just give you a little thing for you, see it?
Yeah, man, you don't know it. On the Lord, hey, Viral J. Just listen what the Riggan say. Yeah, 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 yeah. And the lockdown when we are go free. Tell the big guys some more captivity. Lockdown when we are go free. Tell the big guys some more captivity. Get we realize them not care about we. And the lockdown when we are go free. Tell the big guys some more captivity. Get we realize them not care about we. And my conclusion, the bowl and the work, so them come with a new plan. If you kill human crime, it arise them, can't find solution. What that them a do, man? No, no. Them say we locked in, and for free up here we have to get the vaccine. Some me tell my black king, yeah, me tell my black queen, don't cap the black dream. No, no, wow. We can't breathe, we can't manage. Online class, make the youth them can't knowledge. We can't breathe, we can't bother. Every day them get up on the bar. We can't breathe, we can't breathe. Online class make the youth them can't read. And the lockdown when we are free. Tell the big guys no more captivity. If we realize them not care about we. And the lockdown, and the lockdown, and the lockdown, and the lockdown. I kindly teach them know me have to speak. Them say funeral no party can't keep. When COVID no know them lock the street. It come like them time COVID it not keep no. It a get harder. Them say new world order. Who did fat now? Them a get maga. See me big up, the goalie and the Gaza. Hey, 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 hey.
So man, tell you see it. Respect, you see it.
From the G Black, you
Yeah, man. Viral J out. You see it? Yeah, man. Cut. So we are going to drop a beat here. I just give you a little thing for you. See it? So the work can so you can do.
Yeah, man. See him so. Big up Paula Scott past Clarinon. Yo. Who's knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door? And me I run the place, the boy said me never know. Who's knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door? Well tell them the artist gone pan tour. Who's knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door? Girl, the mountain man you love, might as well you take her. Who's knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door? Girl, if you think you, hey, go take a past the door. You better make a step away or else you bet you lose. She went, she said, yes, me I set the mood. I guess me press me car, me set just like a jet a move. And yes, if me crash you know me get a record cruise car. Black snow got goals and 4 fingers in use make flows and flows. Goes I score by clothes from store. Girl want something tough, eye bone, tie bone. No 4x4, condom I dig goal, my not a poor girl. Like phone, I roam control my child. Will make me fly high in a no-fly zone. Knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door? And me I run the place, the boy said me never know. Who's knocking at, who's knocking at, who's knocking at my door?
Come in and put them up on the map is just judge. But why them I get me still a show my love. I love a vampire want to drink my blood. But the fire when me burn make them melt like bud. I know for walk with guns, some a walk with nunchucker. Want you in my life like a plastic buckle. Pastor intercede for me down in at the chapel. Ooh, jobless a wicked thought can't tackle. I'm moving through the roughest and the hardest. Still I hold the fear, do the right thing regardless. If you do the wrong thing, you know say you're harmless. Put in the work and I wait for the harvest. Mama tell me son, put the shoulder to the wheel. Some buggies in couple sides and I bend some steel. Just to ensure Jah even I mean. Man I talk about things but me know I got real car. Mr. Big name, Jackie and so high. How long are you gonna make the youth them cry?
So we are going to drop a beat here. And just give people them a thing. You see it?
Yeah, bro. Ready. Yo, hustle cash. Every day we hustle cash in a real life. Out on the grind every day, dog. Got the dollars for my brain as we rise up. Never born rich, so I'm full time. Now move me, I feel good suffering, I get wiped out. Out on the grind every day, dog. Got the dance for my brain as me rise up. Legacy that I fi set before me time up. From Sunday to Sunday we don't take no. Cause time too pressure, so me don't miss a minute. So tell the boundary, so we don't see no limit. I feel wild in a real life, me don't just a sing it. Strap with it, make it part of the image. Big league of the game, advance of me skimmage. Account full of greens and me don't see no spinach. So me stay upon it till poverty diminish. Money and a life, but feel if you better get it, yo. Out every day upon the grinder.
Alright, so we can drop a beat gear. Let's do a little thing for you, you see it?
Right away, man. Natural. Okay. Viral JA.
Yeah, man.
It's a natural movement, though. So we keep doing it. And stay real. G Black College, you know the energy going on. Alright then. Quick we tell us say you're 9 to 5. Like if I'm not 9 to 5, don't stay alive. And then you gone to church and I pray to Christ. I pray for nice life. Do your ways not right but shaka. Nothing twice here, them a chastise. Start nice, what a Ross if day becomes night fire. Can't cool, yeah me come here so fi burn it up. The teachers and not earning enough. The teachers and not learning enough. The go college and can't get no work. The farmer them pressure the dirt and rain and fall as when sun up can't smile because the damn fun up. Tell them level them style and get it straight like when the black plum up. Me start for thought not hear no fox. I tell them send a thought no more them live it oppress them up. Get when them run up and take no more so. And naturally we talk. So me say fire upon them live rounds. On them live rounds, firm feet when me step the valley of the dry bones. Fire upon them live rounds. On them live rounds, firm feet when me step the valley of the them. Quick we tell you them a look at one vote. Left your mind in doubt with your thumb inked out. No doubt had a fire upon the queen and the pope. Silent when I out, observe when I meds for mine now. No words for I sound. Them turn the right round so burn the cyclone. Them portals hide out, secret slide out. Now the king find out Zion at the high mountain. I try stop Rasta from this visioning. So I born Babylon and then divisioning. Cause I know everything we go give you the glittering. So I heal Jah for everything me see in him. I fire upon them live rounds, firm feet when me step the valley of the dry bones. Fire upon the light. Ace.
Yeah, man, so you hear from the big man, you see it. So check him out, you know. Description, you're gonna find the link for his YouTube channel. Yeah, man. Respect. Out.
Go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go viral, go.